Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today we're going to be making a yummy dessert called Pudín Diplomático or diplomatic pudding in English. So let's get started. First thing that we're going to do is make our caramel, and I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of water to the pot. El primer paso es hacer nuestro caramelo. Añadir 1 taza de azúcar y 1/4 taza de agua. As you can see, it's already starting to change to a brown color. Como pueden ver, está empezando a coger un color dorado. So now it's ready, and you want to take it off the stove when it's around this color because you don't want it to burn, because then it'll be really bitter. Quitarlo de la estufa porque se quemará y sabrá amargo. Now you're going to pour the caramel sauce into a baking dish. You're going to leave it until it gets hard, and that should take about 5 minutes. Ahora vas a echar el caramelo en un molde y déjalo endurecer durante 5 minutos. Now we're going to start beating 4 eggs. Ahora vamos a empezar a hacer la masa. Así que vamos a bater 4 huevos. Now we're going to add in 1 can of condensed milk, and we're going to add in 1 can of evaporated milk. Ahora vamos a echar una lata de leche condensada y una lata de leche evaporada. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Seguidamente, vamos a agregar una cucharadita de vainilla. This next step is optional. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of apricot brandy. If you're serving this to children, leave the alcohol out of the recipe. Este siguiente paso es optional. Estoy agregando 2 cucharadas de brandy dulce o licor dulce. Si está haciendo esto para los niños, no lo agregue. Next, I'm adding in a pinch of salt, and that's to enhance the sweetness. Ahora estoy agregando una pizquita de sal que aumenta la dulzura. Next, I'm going to strain this through a colander to remove any residuals from the eggs. A continuación, voy a verter la mezcla a través de un colador para quitar cualquier grumos. Now we're ready to pour the mixture into our baking dish. Ahora le vamos a echar la mezcla en un molde. Now we're ready to add the fruit into the mixture. I'm adding in both the raisins and the fruit cocktail. Ahora estoy lista para añadir las pasas y cóctel de fruta en la mezcla de la leche. When you're adding in fruit, be careful not to overfill your baking dish. Cuando añada la fruta, ten cuidado de no poner demasiada fruta en el molde. And now we're ready to add our pound cake right on top of the milk mixture. Ahora voy a poner las rebanadas de panetela encima de la leche. Now we're going to cover this with aluminum foil, and we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour and a half, and we're going to sit it in the bain marie or baño maria in Spanish. Cubrimos y hornearlo a 350 grados Fahrenheit durante 1 hora y media. After an hour and a half, you want to take a toothpick and put it in the middle to check it to see if it's cooked completely. Cuando pase 1 hora y media, sacamos del horno y chequearlo con un palillo para ver está cocido. So now we're going to let it cool off for about an hour, and then we're going to refrigerate it for about 5 more hours. So it's going to be a total of 6 hours before you can actually cut it. Déjalo enfriar durante 1 hora y luego póngalo en la nevera durante 5 horas más. Now you're going to loosen the edges with a spatula or a knife, but be really careful when you do this. Con mucho cuidado, vamos a aflojar los bordes con una espátula o un cuchillo para que no lo rompa. Now we're going to place a plate over top of it, and we're going to flip it. And when you flip it, be really careful not to spill the juices. Ok, está listo para desmodarlo. Miren cómo queda, riquísimo. Ok, vamos a decorarlo. This came out fantastic. And now I'm going to decorate it with some fruits. Aquí tiene mi Pudín Diplomático. Qué belleza. And here is my beautiful Pudín Diplomático, my diplomatic pudding. And now I'm going to cut a piece so you guys can see what it looks like. Ahora voy a probar un pedacito. This came out great. The cake is moist and the flan is nice and smooth. Some people like to add almonds on top. If you don't like to add the almonds, you can leave it off. Y añadí un poquito de almendras. Si no te gusta, no las pongas. Well, my friends, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more recipes, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para ayudarme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y deja un comentario. Si quieres más recetas, suscríbete a mi canal y haz la campana para no perderte mis videos. Hasta la próxima, muchas bendiciones, nos vemos.